What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy Geek, also known as Ramay. Ramay is my surname. So this is the Invicta watch, and this watch costs you around 70 bucks. Let me show you from the first. I don't like opening mechanism of this watch. It's quite bad, to be honest with you. Okay, here we go. As you can see from the inside, can you see or not? Yeah. So this is from the inside. This is like 75 bucks watch. Also, I did a video comparing this watch with Casio. Click the card button to watch it. But overall, I mean 75 bucks. I would not pay more than 25 bucks for this watch. I don't know why this watch is absolutely garbage. I mean, I bought two pair. I give one pair to my friend. My friend watch fall down from like the table height. It's shattered. This display shattered. I mean, this like for the same amount of money I can buy a Casio watch which have a lot of refinement. The band look high quality. This one just look like a rip off of Rolex, to be honest with you. It's not a bad watch by any mean. I wear it. I wear it. Some people give me some compliment. It's a beautiful watch. But the problem is that when I can buy a much better looking, more better build quality watch for same amount of money, it's a hard sell for me unless you wanna impress that you're wearing like a $2,005 watch on your wrist. Other than that, it's a okay watch. It's not that bad watch. Personally I don't like the band. Compared to the Casio, the same amount of money. You see the Casio band look like more elegant, more beautiful. So at the end of this, can I recommend a sort of? But 25 bucks, okay, maximum 50 bucks I will pay, like 45, 50, not more than that. It's a okay watch, to be honest with you. Even you can rotate the dial. Yeah, you can see you can rotate the dial. But it's a beautiful watch. I'm not saying that when you look at watch, but when you wear it, you can't feel the beauty. It's like a little bit rough watch. You can buy a Seiko watch, but that costs you around 200 bucks. The same design. I forgot the name. Seiko. It's like 100% identical to this one. Like you wear it, it look like a $1,000 watch you are buying for 200 bucks. Can I recommend this one? A sort of, but at the end of the day, I call it a garbage watch. 70 bucks I pay. I think I pay $75 to be precise. I'm not happy with that in short. The main reason the display can easily shatter. I like falling down. Your watch is like become garbage. So it was me, Jimmy a Geek. Make sure to subscribe and then let me know which watch review you wanna watch. Comment in the comment section box below. Bye.